When you come to a window reveal, we do two angles. We do an external corner and an external angle. This is an external angle. Now this gets fitted after the panels are fitted, so it's your last job. But this external corner with the more rounded edge gets fitted first. So you need to cut this to measurement and fit this before slotting the panels into it. So just going to measure for the external corner, and this measurement is 2 meters 200 exactly. So I'm going to measure this external corner. 2 meters 200 was the length. Little pencil mark there. And don't forget this trim has a protective film on which needs to be peeled off afterwards. Put in position in the mitre block using a hacksaw, a nice smooth cut. We've cut the external corner to length. So now you actually fit that on the corner like so. And then a couple of screws through the tongue section. And remember, these screws will be concealed when the next panel slots into the trim. I recommend putting the screws approximately every 8 or 10 inches. Again, you don't need to drill or raw plug. You're just securing the trim in place so the panels to slot into. Again, these screws will be concealed when the panels slot in. With the external corner fitted, before we glue the back to fit, what we just need to do is double check the measurement's correct and it'll slot in, which it does nice and neat like that, and that'll be your finish for your external corner.